Hi, I'm Dale Guthrie. I'm a pediatrician at Gilbert Pediatrics in Arizona. And I was asked to talk a little bit about when there's a disconnect between a child's behavior at home versus when they're at daycare or school. And this happens quite frequently. I've had even one of my own children, but many patients who will appear to be acting out at home, but not so much when they're around other children. And sometimes that's a really big concern or red flag for parents, because they can be told even by some people who mean well that, oh, if they're acting out at home but not at school, that must be a parenting problem. And so you need to, think about what you're doing as a parent. But what I've experienced over the years, and even talked to some therapists about, is the idea and the fact that children will a lot of times act out at home where they feel, if they tend to be having some behavior problems or challenges in their life, that where they feel more comfortable in that setting around their parents, they'll kind of let it all hang out, so to speak. And at school, where they're just a little bit more worried about how they're impressing their friends or other kids, even in a young preschool, or the teacher, that they may kind of, that area may be a second location after they start to act out at home. And so I would reassure parents that it's not a parenting problem per se. And I usually use a book called The Power of Positive Parenting by Glenn Latham that helps parents just work on using positive measures, positive praise for rewarding or praising positive behaviors, and basically putting annoying or negative behaviors on extinction by giving them no attention at all. And that has paid some pretty big dividends with families in my practice over the years, and has really helped a lot of young people with some challenging behaviors.